Okay, turning on the car. So there's the iDrive system. If I hold the menu button down, toggle it, it says no signal. Okay. If I put the car in reverse, it switches to an interface, and I can turn the steering wheel, do all this. Oh, these were, I didn't think they were touchable. I hit the home button, it doesn't do anything. If I put it in drive, back to no signal. But again, I can hold menu button and toggle back to the iDrive. Hold the menu again to toggle back. Put it in park. Same. If I try to reset, and I've done this a bunch of times, if I'll just hold it for a few seconds and then let go. And it comes back, but it comes back to that interface. If I hold menu again, toggles back. And I've tried holding the reset button for as long as, a minute. And this is what I'm getting each time. I get no indication that Android is booting up or anything of the like.